birthday to you.
Stay.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Boomer. Happy birthday to you. Can I blow it out?
Blow it out. No. Blow it out.
Ready?
1, 2, 3, go.
Hey, I want to blow it out.
Sorry.
Wait. Wait.
I hope he leaves it up there.
Okay.
Good boy. Happy birthday. It's Boomer's birthday. Just eat it, Boomer. Don't lick it.
Oh no. Boom. Up here. Up here. Okay.
Let's go. Over here. Come on.
Ah, Kristen, you just stuck me. Can
Oh well. Let's go.
you turn the window?
Over here, Boom.
Hey, go here. No, over here.
Boomer, over here.
The peanut butter. Eat it. Eat it, Boo.
Eat the cupcake. What's that? Get it. He's like, I'm trying to get this peanut butter off. Boomer, bite it. Bite.
He's cleaning the peanut butter up.
It's gonna take a while. Don't. Hey, this. What's that? Your peanut butter cupcake? Get it! Boomer! Still licking his lips. What's this? What is it? Get it. It's a present. Yeah, get it. What is it? Tastes good? I know the floor tastes good for you. And your paw. Come on, get the cupcake. What's this? Right there.
Keep your fingers
Oh, I almost got it. Come on, bite it. Oh, there we go.
I need to take bites, not the whole thing at once.
Oh, I remember when he was like, I think 3. He ate the whole thing. One gulp. Boomer. You're so cute. Yes, you are. And that is good. After this, then we're going to do presents. Yeah. Turning 5. We already turned 5. Don't get that on my backpack. Yeah, don't get it on my backpack. Get it, right there. Still more, look. Is that it? All done? All right, present time. Try to step over. Ugh. Present time. Hey, Boomer, look. Yay. Yeah, we should have like a caution sign here. I gotta go get Roxanne. Watch it, Boomer. So cute as you are. Boomer already ate his cupcake.
I know, I saw it.
Well, come on, watch the presents. Pause that. Was that good? Ready? One more. Presents. Presents, yeah. Gotta wait.
It's time to choose. Hurry, pick up your coat.
I love you all. Oh my god.
Present time.
Is that good, Boom?
Is it good?
All right, first present. Can I give him it?
You what?
Pick Adam.
Sit over here. Boom, boom.